Most people, including nail techs, are removing the wrong thing from your nails. And it's not just wrong, it can actually damage your nails and hamper your nail growth. It is the cuticle. So before you cut your cuticle next time, watch this. In my last video, we understood how nails grow and where they actually grew from. Today, we're talking about the most misunderstood topic in nail care. You must have seen those aesthetic videos where people are cutting that skin around your nail and calling it cutting the cuticle. That is not your cuticle. Yes, that is living skin, and removing it can actually harm your nails. Now, if that skin is not cuticle, then what cuticle actually is? Cuticle is nothing but just a layer of dead skin, which actually grows from underneath this thick skin and sticks onto your nail plate. It's almost invisible, and most of the time you don't even notice it. That thick skin that people keep cutting is not the cuticle but proximal nail fold. It covers the matrix, it protects the matrix, it has blood supply and nerves. Living skin, it acts as a protective seal for your nail. It protects your nails from fungus, bacteria, dirt, infections. So if you cut that skin too much, you're not doing anything good, or just for the sake of clean, aesthetic looking nails, you're actually opening up a pathway for infections. Also, have you experienced redness, swelling, even bleeding during manicures? This is the reason, because they are not cutting the dead skin, they are cutting the living skin. Now, let's talk about the most aesthetically pleasing act of making your nails look cleaner: pushing back the cuticles. There is no way you can push back the cuticles, and there is nothing like pushing back the cuticles. What you're actually doing is pushing back the thick skin surrounding your nail, which is the proximal fold. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually hurt yourself really bad. You don't have to do it. It is not necessary. It's not required, especially before every manicure. For regular, normal nails, healthy nails, if your skin is not bothering you or becoming a problem for you, or it is painful, you don't have to touch it. It is okay, and you just have to leave it as it is naturally. If you really want to work on the appearance of your nails, here is the correct approach. Number one, keep your nail area hydrated. Use cuticle oils, creams, lotions, whatever works for you. Number two, gently remove the dead skin. You can either use a cuticle remover, the solution, or you can simply use a nail brush. That works just fine. Number three, absolutely avoid cutting the proximal nail fold. It is not required. Number four, avoid pushing the skin back aggressively. It can hurt you, it can be painful, and it can cause infections. And number five, only and only remove hangnails, that too only if needed or painful. If you want me to make a separate video on hangnails, what they are and how to manage them, let me know in the comments below. So next time, whenever you sit for your manicure, look closely what is being removed, because now you know the difference. And once you understand your nails properly, you don't damage them without even realizing it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below letting me know the challenges you are facing with your natural nail growth journey so that we can fix them together. Subscribe Nailpecs for more, and if you want to grow your natural nails, start here. I will see you in my next one. Bye.